Yeah, so now we're going to do is so we just go over these numbers, just one of these, and test it out. Can you give me a little bit? That's a very just two
system. And then close down.
This is because just want to test and see so the way I can test the TCR 5000 is I can just see if it's turned on by so that
220 ohm resistor.
I can't see it.
It's 220 ohm. And the minus comes straight down to plus, comes down, plus, over, and you have that to show it's going over, going straight in, over here, and then we have the minus, comes straight in. This is the third one, second, VCC minus, and that's 11. This is 1, this is 4, and VCC plus some. And then this is the TC or T5000. This is the LM TCRT 5000 in the battery. Connecting the positive and negative terminals to the breadboard. And connect the positive and negative terminals to the breadboard. I'm going to connect it with TCRT 5000. Next, I'm going to connect with my 10K resistor to TCRT 5000. Connected. Next, I'm going to use the 220 ohm resistor. The 220 ohm resistor is connected. Using 220 ohm 10K. We're connected to each leg of the TCRT 5000 into the negative terminal. Next, I'm going to connect positive wire to one leg of the TCRT 5000 into positive rear. Like that. I'm going to do that again to the other leg. So that's connected there to these two wires, which are going through the TCRT 5000 legs. Across to the 10K and 220 ohm resistor into the negative row. Next, I'm going to put in my LM324 and my yellow LED. I have to move the TCRT back a bit to myself. I connected the LED up there. Next, I'm going to connect black wire to the first leg of the TCRT, or sorry, no, the LM, and to the leg of the LED. Now I'm going to connect 10k resistor from the negative rail across. That's done now. And then I'm also going to connect another 10k resistor from the positive into the terminal here. So now I'm connecting the 10k resistor into the same 15 rail as the 10k resistor. Just a sec. Now they're in the same row. And connect the wire from the same to the third leg of the LM right here. I'm going to connect this second terminal of the LM all the way over to this left side of the TCRT with the black bulb. I've connected it now. I'm going to connect the wire from the negative terminal over to the negative rail side to the 11th terminal of the LM. As you can see, yeah, it's connected. I'm going to connect a 220 ohm resistor from the leg of the LED to the negative rail, and that's done. And as you can see, power comes in, goes through these two legs, this resistor. These two legs go into the TCRT 5000, and the power comes out through these two resistors, the 10k 220 ohm, into the negative terminal, and on the left side of the TCRT a wire comes up, brings the power over and down to the second part of the TCRT, or the LM. Then we have a wire here from the first part of the LM to the LED, and the third point in the LM over here that connects it back into the positive rail, and also comes across this 10k resistor as well into the negative. The LM in pin number 11, we have a wire going to the negative section, and for the other leg of the LED we have 220 ohm resistor going down to the negative. So I'm going to use the multimeter to measure the voltage across the breadboard. If I put my negative wire just in the negative rail, you can see I'm getting 7.49 volts. If I put it just in this leg of the TCRT, if I put it in the right side of the TCRT with the blue bulb, it comes up as 1.23 volts. And when I put the multimeter into this here, I put the multimeter black into between the two resistors, the two 10k, it comes up as 3.75 volts. This point here, this node here, relates to just over here, this leg of the TCRT 5000 right here. This right here is where this side of the TCRT makes this wire and this 10k ohm resistor. Over here, this side of the TCRT is where it makes this wire right here. Oh, I'm sorry, this node should be here, and then this shows this out where this wire and this meet into the TCRT 5000's leg. And this right here is where the TCRT 5000 meets the 220 ohm resistor. This node right here corresponds to this 10k ohm resistor coming right here. And then this node, this node, this node, and this node, and that node. All 5 of those nodes are this rail right here where they all connect in. Right here, this minus rail this node right here is this input in the leg here, and the LM's leg, the first pin, coming across to this part of the LED. And then this node here is where the LED meets this resistor leg right here. This part, this node here, is where this wire goes all the way over to the TCRT5000 here. Jumps all the way across that leg. So over here.